This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs, and welcome back to another video. Listen, today, man, we doing something totally different, something totally off the wall. It's not an Air Force One, it's not a Jordan One. This today, we doing a skate one. We are doing a custom skate for Cadence 8th year birthday, man. Happy birthday, Cadence. Man, she wanted to do something with the, what is it, Roblox? I don't know. I ain't never heard of it. I had to Google it. My daughter told me about it. I guess it's a video game, but that's what we gonna do. I am looking forward to this one. I'm gonna do something special to it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we getting ready to get into this video and get this out to Cadence for her birthday. Man, it's right around the corner. It's birthday season, y'all. Happy birthday once again, Cadence. Let's go. They glow in the dark too. Yeah, they gonna glow in the dark for you.
Like that? Huh?
There's no problem. There's no problem at all.
Look at that one.
Cool. You like them? Cool, cool. So you don't have to look for me no more. You good? We friends? All right, cool. You welcome, honey. It was fun.